Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fuel a helicopter safely. First, always wear your personal protective equipment, like gloves and eye protection. Make sure the helicopter is completely shut down and secured before you begin. It's also crucial to check the specific fuel type and the exact quantity needed for your flight. Finally, properly ground both the helicopter and your fueling equipment to prevent static discharge. Before you even think about adding fuel, perform a thorough inspection. Check the fuel nozzle and hose for any signs of damage or wear. Position the fuel truck or dispenser correctly, ensuring it's stable and accessible. Double-check that the fuel grade you're using perfectly matches the helicopter's requirements. Most importantly, confirm there are absolutely no open flames or potential ignition sources in the vicinity. Now, let's get to the actual fueling. Carefully insert the nozzle into the helicopter's fuel port, making sure it's a snug fit. Begin fueling slowly at first to minimize static electricity buildup. Keep a close eye on the fuel gauge and the flow rate throughout the process. Once you've reached the desired fuel quantity, stop the flow promptly and smoothly. After fueling, gently remove the nozzle and securely fasten the helicopter's fuel cap. Next, disconnect all grounding wires from both the helicopter and the fueling equipment. It's important to accurately record the fueled quantity and any other relevant operational data. Finally, take a moment to inspect the area around the fuel port for any signs of leaks, ensuring everything is clean and safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.